Embers should not be used unless your fireplace was originally designed for them. Check your instruction manual to verify before use. Glowing embers are used to enhance the flame and provide more realism to a gas fireplace by mimicking the look of glowing embers found in a wood-burning fire. First, let's take a look at a fireplace burner. This is where you'll be placing the embers. Burner layouts can vary greatly between fireplaces, but one thing to keep in mind is that you're going to want to avoid putting your embers directly on or over the burner ports, which are the holes you will see along the base of your fireplace. When placing ember materials, it's a good idea to visually check the location of the burner ports and pilot assembly. This may require you to remove the logs for a better view. Always follow your fireplace's instruction guide on how to place your embers. Now let's look at how to place the embers on the burner. We recommend wearing gloves when handling our glowing embers, as the material may cause skin irritation. Take a small amount of embers out of the bag and pull them apart to create fine edges for the gas to pass through. Place the ember around the burner ports, front and back, but do not block the ports themselves. It is important to always remember that gas must flow from one burner port to the next. Repeat this step until you've created a canyon around the burner ports. Piling embers directly over the burner port may cause a problem with delayed burner ignition and should be avoided. Do not place embers near the pilot, as this may cause a grounding issue or possible delayed ignition. Briefly firing the burner will ensure that you're getting a quick and consistent lighting of the burner. Ensure that the fireplace and embers have completely cooled before handling. You may also want to fill in the empty spaces of the burner that do not have burner ports and are left exposed after the logs are back in place for a more consistent look. As you can see, glowing embers give off a warm glow when ignited and enhance the look of the fire.